Voice AI is the one place in the entire AI stack where half a second of extra thinking is the difference between impressive and the customer hangs up on you. So that's not a small thing, it's a whole game. So that's exactly what Uniphore is built around. It's a real-time voice AI and agentic customer experience where every millisecond of latency is customer patience burning down live. So here's the mistake teams make once agentic AI gets hot. Uh, they turn everything into an agent, including the parts that never should be. Multi-step reasoning is powerful, it's also slow. So you're looking at several LLM calls. So the actual rule, and it's simpler than most people think, is have a user-facing path that needs a response under 500 milliseconds should be a change, a deterministic chain, not an agent. Full stop. That saves agentic reasoning for the parts of the call that can afford to think, like routing, summarization after the fact, and keep the live voice response path as a fast, predictable chain. Mixing those two up is a bad idea and would get laggy in a real call, honestly. So the exact trade-off production agent frameworks are built around is the same reasoning that led LangGraph itself to draw a hard line. Agents where latency has to be near instant just aren't the right tool for the specific job. So I've turned this into a quick decision checklist, 5 questions to run before you decide agent or chain for any given step in a voice flow. Comment latency below and follow, I'll send it your way. And oh yeah, one more thing, I go deep on this stuff weekly. Join the Demandion community, the link is down below. Let's build AI that's actually fast, where speed is the whole product.